Hi, Ken Madden with Ciro here. Today I'd like to show you our LED lighted hinge covers for Harley Davidsons. These will fit the 2014 and up touring models, and the part that we made is a die-cast aluminum part that replaces the hinge cover that comes with the Harley. It also includes this lighted part. They are available in black or chrome, and we also have them with red lens or in a smoked lens. These are run, turn, and brake functions. So as you can see, the turn function right there, sorry. And I can show you the brake function here too. It's nice and bright. And right now we've got a special that we're getting started, and that is going to be from February 14th to March 14th. If you buy 4, you're going to get 1 set free. So buy 4 sets, get 1 set free. Any questions with that, give our sales team here a call. And again, it's Ken Madden for Ciro, and just hope you like this. Thanks a lot, and have a good day.